I'm Camera, General Manager, Palm Harbor, Cleveland, Texas. I'm here with the lovely Crystal Maywald. She's the sales manager here in Cleveland.
Hello.
We hope everyone's staying safe in, I guess, the build-up to Hurricane Laura. So,
Laura and everybody else that's falling behind them, their aunt, their cousins, mama.
We know this is a very serious time. We know a lot of our customers have actually started evacuation procedures and things like that, and we truly do hope that everyone is safe. We did want to take an opportunity, though, to come to you guys and just remind you that if the storm kind of has you thinking about maybe where you're currently living, maybe you're a little concerned about the quality of construction of where you currently are, that is one of the things that Palm Harbor is truly known for, is weathering the storm. Our level of construction is top-notch. It is, warranted for 12-year structural warranty for a reason. And so we just wanted to come out today and talk a little bit about that. You have anything you want to share, Crystal?
Not really, but no, just joking.
There's that.
The biggest thing is when people come into our office and they ask us about the constructions of our homes, we really pride ourselves on the way that we build our homes. Not to mention that majority of the homes that you see on the coastal or on the coast are Palm Harbor homes for good reasonings. And I'm going to let Cameron tell you because she's so much better than I am at it. So, yeah.
We always come to you guys unrehearsed, as you can tell, but that's okay. At least when you guys do come in to visit with us, you get exactly what you see in the video, so there's no surprises.
Right.
But we work for this company for that very reason. We chose Palm Harbor because we are confident in the product that we're selling. We know that we are offering our customers a well-built home that comes with many warranties. We use name brand appliances, we have quartz upgrades, all those great and wonderful things, and all of those things are pretty. Lots of builders offer pretty things. But I think it's super important for you to know about the meat and potatoes of your home. 1/2-inch sheetrock, 2x8 floor joists. Is your builder using 2x2s throughout your home instead of 2x4s? What kind of grade shingles are they using? All of those things are questions you should be asking when you're shopping. Ask us, ask another builder if you're shopping with them. If they can't answer those questions, or if they can't find someone who can, then that might not be the right builder for you.
Or if they don't bring it up.
That's true.
That too.
Absolutely.
Skirt around, the question. Because here at Palm Harbor, we can definitely build you a home out of our awesome factory with 2x6 exteriors. You don't even hear about that in site-built construction.
That's true.
So.
That's very true. So like she mentioned, if you're shopping and no one even brings it up, I would kind of raise a red flag there too. Obviously, we think we're perfect for everybody. We think everybody in the entire world should buy a Palm Harbor home.
Totally.
But that's just because we believe in our product. But we really do hope everyone stays safe. We truly just want to drop a quick hello to you guys. We're checking in. If y'all need anything, if after this storm is over, if you know someone that's in need of something, please reach out to us at our office number, 281-592-8600. We don't want to just be here to sell you a home.
Right.
We do want to be here for our community. So if there's something we can do, if there's water that needs to be handed out, if someone needs to be fed, please let us know. Our staff is super involved, and we want to help where we can. So please keep that in mind and let us know where there is a need. Crystal, anything you want to say before we leave?
Nope, not at all. We just look forward to hearing from you and let us know what we can do to help. Bye, guys.